Hello Excel newbies, want to learn Excel in 100 days? Let's get started today with some basics of Excel. This is your Excel's playground where you're going to work, you're going to do all your magic with the data. On the top there are different tabs. This is called your ribbon, which gives you so many commands which you will need to work on with your data. On the bottom you will see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are just like pages that you have in your notebook or in your workbook. You can double click on something and then change the name, just like that. Remember, you can create as many worksheets as you want, and also you can delete the worksheets if you don't want any of them. Let's have a look at the cells now. Now each cell is basically an intersection of the row and a column. Each cell has a unique address of its own. For example, A1, okay, it has A is the column and 1 is the row. That's the unique address of this cell. Let's take for an example this one, F10. So F is the column and 10 is the row. So every cell has its own unique address. If you're searching for a particular cell, you can go directly to find or just use a shortcut Control G to open the go to tab, and then just search for any of the cell. Let's take D10 again, and here we are. The D10 cell will open. If you are at the bottom or anywhere around in your sheet and you want to just go on the top, so instead of scrolling all the way up, you can simply just press Control and Home, and it will take you to the cell 1, that's A1, or on the top of the sheet. So remember these two shortcuts, they're very easy. Control G to search for any of your cell, or if you want to go on the top of the sheet, so Control plus Home. Let's just write something in our Excel sheet. Hello Excel. I've seen programmers writing hello world everywhere. Let's just start with hello Excel. Now a quick saving tip is keep pressing Control plus S. It keeps saving your file every now and then. It's a big savior. Do follow it. Follow for day 2 tomorrow for more such tricks. And thank you for watching.